If Windows 11 feels slow right after you turn on your computer, startup apps are one of the first things to check. Startup apps are programs that launch automatically when you sign in. Some are useful, like security tools, audio drivers, touchpad utilities, and cloud storage you actually use. But many are just extra helpers: game launchers, chat apps, printer monitors, updater tools, RGB controllers, screen recorders, VPN panels, and trial software that wants attention. The problem is simple. Every startup app takes a small slice of memory, processor time, disk activity, and battery. One app is not a disaster. 10 apps can make a fast computer feel old. Start with the safest method. Press Ctrl, Shift, Escape to open Task Manager. Click Startup Apps. If you do not see the tabs, expand Task Manager first. Now, sort by startup impact. High-impact apps deserve the first look. Ask one question: do I need this app immediately after login? If the answer is no, disable it. Disable game launchers unless you play every time you start the PC. Disable chat apps if you open them manually. Disable printer utilities if you print rarely. Disable updater helpers from software you do not use every day. Disable screen recorders, music launchers, store apps, and old trial tools. Do not disable security software. Do not disable audio, touchpad, graphics, network, or important device drivers unless you know exactly what they do. The goal is not to break Windows. The goal is to stop optional apps from jumping into the front seat. Next, open Settings, Apps, Startup. This gives you another simple view of apps that launch at sign-in. If an app appears in both Settings and Task Manager, either place can control it. After that, check the system tray near the clock. Many slow computers have a row of tiny icons running all day. Right-click the ones you recognize and look for settings like Launch at Startup, Start with Windows, or Open on Login. Turn those options off when you do not need them. Cloud Sync deserves special attention. OneDrive, Google Drive, Dropbox, game clients, and photo backup tools can scan files right after startup. If your laptop feels slow for the first 10 minutes, sync may be part of the reason. Pause sync during gaming, editing, or battery use. Browser startup can also slow things down. If your browser reopens many tabs automatically, Windows has to load all of them. Turn off Restore Previous Session if you do not need it, and remove extensions that keep background processes alive. Now restart your computer. Do not judge the result before a restart. After signing in, wait 1 minute and notice the difference. Fewer pop-ups, fewer tray icons, lower disk usage, and a calmer fan are all good signs. If something important is missing, go back and re-enable the last app you disabled. This is why startup cleanup is safe. You can reverse it. The simple rule is this: keep the essentials, disable the attention seekers, and launch optional apps only when you actually need them. Clean startup apps can make Windows 11 boot faster, feel smoother, and stop wasting resources before you even open your first program.